Hi there, hi, good afternoon. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS symptoms, bloating, painful digestion, heartburn, etc., any kind of related hormone problems, menopause, perimenopause, terrible periods, etc. And I do this with state-of-the-art gut testing and, if required, dietary supplements, diet and lifestyle upgrades, etc., to gently bring things back into balance for you and get you feeling as you should do again. So I was going to do a quick rundown for you all about collagen and collagen supplementation. Shouldn't you? Are you likely to find it beneficial? Just because it's such a popular supplement at the moment, it's everywhere, everyone seems to be taking it, and I know a lot of people do find it really, really useful. So just to give you a quick rundown about what you might find it useful for, etc. So basically collagen is, you can think of it as the kind of component to your body which makes everything kind of nice and elastic, and it's a major component of your skin health, of your joint health, etc. You've got type 1 collagen, which is found in all your connective tissue, for example. You've got type 2 collagen, which is in your skeletal joints, and you've got type 3, which is vital for your blood vessels and skin health, etc. So if you're looking for a supplement, I think you would be best to go for collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are much more easily absorbed than the other kinds. Your body can really make use of that quite easily. So what you might find it useful for, particularly if you're someone who suffers with your gut health, it's kind of a major component in your digestive tract because it really stops that leaky gut situation from happening. It gets in there and helps your gut to knit together all its cells and stop all those toxins flowing through into the rest of your system. So if you're someone who does suffer with any kind of gut problem, then you'll probably find that you have got a degree of leaky gut. So collagen may well help with that. So in addition to that, as you get older, you'll find that your skin does start to lose elasticity. That's because your collagen levels start to naturally reduce anyway. So a supplement will help with that as well. If you're someone who suffers with joint problems, you'll probably find that a supplement will be really helpful for you. In addition to that, what I would do as well is make sure that you're giving your body what it needs to make collagen itself. So you want to be looking at optimizing your vitamin C intake. So make sure you've got plenty of vitamin C in your diet. I would definitely supplement vitamin C. I think most people would benefit from supplementing that, particularly at this time of year anyway. Because your body needs vitamin C, it needs optimal vitamin C to allow it to make collagen itself. So you want to be looking at, for food sources, bone broth is brilliant. Anything with gelatin in it is going to be providing you with a kind of nice and natural source of collagen. Bone broth, absolutely fantastic for anybody who is suffering with their gut health anyway. If you can stomach it, so obviously if you're vegan or vegetarian or whatever, you're probably not going to be too keen on that. But food sources, chicken would be a good source, as I say, bone broth, fish, that kind of thing. Kind of nice, rich protein-rich foods are going to be helpful. In addition to that, vitamin C as well. So make sure you've got lots of dietary vitamin C going on, lots of nice different coloured fruits and vegetables, and I would take a supplement as well. So if you do all of those things, you're going to be looking at really optimizing your collagen levels. And as I say, supplement wise, I think peptides is, always going to be the winner, just because your body can absorb it so much more effectively. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. If you did find it useful, do like and share. And as always, there are links to download freebies in the comments. So there'll be some free recipes there, and also a link to a free mini program as well. Okay, I hope you found that useful, and I shall see you next time. Okay, bye.